Hello, everyone. Hi, hope everyone's doing well today. This is your girl Pauline from My Crafting Hut. It's been a while. Haven't been posting anything. Have been watching a couple videos from the community, but I haven't really posted anything for myself. But today, here I am. I'm going to show a couple concepts that I've been working on. Uh, they are small concepts, simple, and they're geared towards Mother's Day, but I believe they can be used for any occasion. So, with that being said, go ahead and hit the like button on this video. Give your girls a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I hope you'll subscribe. I hope you'll see something that you like. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for still supporting your girl. I appreciate you. So, with that being said, like I said, I have a couple small concepts. This one here is this is the box that we got from Walmart after the Christmas. It came with some goodies in it. And what I did was I took the supplies, the products out, and I'm using the box for this concept. So in here, I have a robe. I have this little butterfly that I attached there. This is the shea butter. This was part of concept in the box here. I have the bubble bath. I also have, let's see if I can lift this up. I also have in there a rose, the Ounce body scrub, and this is a Spa Luxury Thistle, something from the Dollar Tree. I have some bubble bath and the candle that we got from uh, Pop Shelf sometime last year. I also have a cup in there that I made, and this is the book, a reflection book. This also came from Pop Shelf uh, last year, right after Mother's Day. And because I have the bubble bath and body scrub, I put a little towel teddy bear in here. So yeah, so simple concept. And I'm gonna go ahead and shrink wrap this one. And I'm not sure, I do have this balloon here, but I'm not sure if I'm going to use this balloon or this balloon. I'm thinking that might be mm, too busy, might look too busy. So yeah, I might just go ahead and use this balloon right here. But that is one of the concepts. Let me pull over the other one for you. Okay, another simple box concept. I had this box for a while. I believe I got this box from Hobby Lobby a while back. But anyways, so in this concept, I have, let's bring this closer. I have the Bodycology body wash. I have a candle uh, right here. I have this mom's candle right there. And I have the Bodycology body cream. I have the Glow Up. Y'all know where this came from. Our favorite store. I have in here hand sanitizer, a loofah, and some flowers. And I also have in here one of these, let me pull this out. This came from Pop Shelf last year, right after Mother's Day. So yeah, so I do have that in there. And that is going to be this concept. And I'm thinking I'm going to just leave the back down like that, probably tape it. And I might put a little decoration on there. I'm not sure yet. I might put a little decoration there. Maybe a butterfly or something. I don't know yet. But yeah. So this is this concept, y'all. Okay. And my last concept for tonight is, let's get that for you. This is my cake box. This is my cake box concept right here. So what I have in here is I have the waffle roll. I have an unscented candle. I have the Bodycology body wash over there. I have the brush set that we got after the holidays from Walmart. I have some bath bombs. I have the slipper set that came in the box. I took them out of the box and just placed them right there. And I also have the foot scrub massager, whatever it is, whatever you call that. But yeah, but that is this concept. And I'm thinking that I'm going to probably shrink wrap this, but I'm also going to put some more decorations around the box here. So around the box. And maybe just like a happy Mother's Day right along here. Just to make dress the box up a little bit. But yeah, so that's that concept, y'all. And so tell me what you think about it. I am going to I'm going to use a bigger balloon with this concept. These are what I think like maybe 5, 10 inches balloons. But I think I'm going to attach an 18-inch balloon to this one. Yeah. So that's it, y'all. So starting to get these concepts out for Mother's Day, and these are the first 3 that I've done. So I hope to do a couple each day, depending on what's going on in life. But yeah, so thank you for watching. If you made it this far, thank you for watching, and sure appreciate you. And until the next one, God bless. See you.